Imagine you have written a calculator program with 5000 lines of code. Now you want to use the calculator in another project. So, do you copy all 5000 lines again? Of course not. Python has a much smarter solution called a module. Today we will learn how professional Python developers organize and reuse code using a modules. Now what is module? Module is simply a Python file. Is a simple Python file that contains functions, variables and classes. Instead of writing the same code again and again, we can import it whenever we need it. Okay, we have to just simply import the module whenever we want to use some variables, functions and classes. Okay, so here we have one Python file name harsh.py, which is also called as a module, and main.py. So in this we simply write one function welcome. In print statement, welcome to Python with Harsh. Okay, so now we want this print statement in main.py. So simply import the module and write harsh dot welcome. So you are importing the module and writing the print statement or use the module in this file. You can see welcome to Python with Harsh is written in main.py. Okay, now what? First of all, we are doing another example of small calculator. Like we are creating one function named add. And return a plus b. We have to assign a parameter a and b. Okay, now another function is a subtraction function a and b. Return a minus b. So we have to import harsh and addition harsh dot add. The number is 20 plus 60 and subtraction is equal to harsh dot sub 50 minus 30. So print it. The addition is addition, and print again for the subtraction. The subtraction is subtraction. Okay, let's check. Okay, the addition is 80 and the subtraction is 20. 60 plus 20 is equal to 80 and 50 minus 30 is equal to 20. Okay, Now what if we need only one function from this module? Like we need only add function from hers module. So we have to write like this: from hers import add. So now we can add only. Now we can call add function only into the main.py, like add dot add 20 and 70, add 70 and 30. So we have to print it, print okay. We only call the function, one function from the entire module. There is a two function in this module, but we only call one function from module. Now can we rename the name of the module? Yes, you can absolutely rename the module. Like if we want to rename the module hers, so we have to write import hers as h. So now you don't need to write a hers full, you don't need to write a full name of module. Instead of simply write h dot add and the numbers that you want to add, and same for the subtraction, like h dot sub and the number that you want to subtract. Okay, so that's it. Now can Python already provide useful modules without us creating them? Is there any inbuilt module in Python? Yes, obviously. There is some inbuilt module in Python. Like we are using import.math. So math is not user defined. Math is a inbuilt module. That means Python already written a code for a math module. We don't need it. Only math module are Python inbuilt module. So how it is used? Math module are used to perform all these type of functions. So in which we are using a square root. Now we need the square root for 25. So what we get? Obviously 5.0. Okay. Now Python random module. Python has only one. Python not have only one built-in module. There is another built-in module called random. So we can use this random module for print some random number from Python from 1 to 20. Here is the code that random number from 1 to 20 are written. Whenever we execute it, like 16, 11, 5, okay, the Python, another random module, another inbuilt module is date time. So if we want to date and time of today, then what? Date time dot date time of now. So you can see this is the all the date and time of 2 days of now 50:21. So this is a 15:21 is the timing. If we want only date, then what? Then we have to simply write date of today. So this is a today date. Okay. So that's it. All the modules, all the inbuilt module and all user defined modules are completed. So congratulations, in this video you are completing all user defined module and all built-in module. You learn about modules and functions in this module. So if you found anything helpful in this video, so subscribe this channel for more Python tutorials. Like, share and comment on this video if you like this video. Thank you so much.